Hi guys! Welcome to hashtag Dimps Tips. Dito sa Dimps Tips, we always give you tips on everything and anything under the sun. And it's unboxing time for me. And today I got a package from my Zanea Shoes family. Aww. Yep, so you may be wondering why it says The Plastics by Zanea. We all know that we don't like plastics in our lives, whether it's for environment purposes or sa mga tao ayaw din natin ng plastic. Pero today, we are celebrating The Plastics. This box has something inside, so tingnan natin kung ano ba yung pinadala ng Zanea family ko. Okay? So cute. Ooh, look at that. Okay, tanggalin natin itong mga gold na confetti. Nice! I know, I have big feet. I have 9.5 or 10. Pero this one is a 10. Thank you so much, my Zanea family, for remembering that I have big feet. So, there, look at that. Yan ay gawang Pinoy. Ganda, diba? Okay, so I saw that on the card it says these shoes are actually made of TPU plastic. Okay, TPU plastic is the more durable, more flexible, and also eco-friendly kind of plastic. So that's what we want. And they are coming out with this campaign called Zanea. It's a hashtag Zanea X the Plastics. So all these beautiful designs, including this one that I'm holding, will be available in select Zanea branches all over the Philippines and also online. So you can go to @ZaneaShoes on Instagram. Yep, that's @ZaneaShoes on Instagram, and you can buy this beautiful, beautiful pair of sandals. Okay. Ah, so beautiful. It's in a neutral color. And see, yan yung TPU plastic that they were mentioning. Ang ganda. Okay, so I can't wait to wear these, and I'll give you a review on how it feels on my feet, how long will it take for me before sumakit yung paa ko kung sasakit man, at syempre what outfits I can, you know, match with these pair of shoes. So thank you so much, my Zanea family, and I cannot wait to wear them.